Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of personal pronouns. Whether you're learning German, studying linguistics, or simply curious about language, this video is for you. Let's start exploring personal pronouns in German.
Personalpronomen.
Personalpronomen.
We have to learn, what is the meaning of pronouns? Let's explain.
Was sind Pronomen?
What are pronouns? Pronouns are a type of word used to replace nouns in a sentence. They make the sentence shorter and avoid the repetition of noun. The pronoun should match the gender of the noun being replaced. Pronouns can be categorized into three main groups: first person, second person, and third person pronouns. First person pronouns are used when the speaker or writer refers to themselves. Second person pronouns are used when addressing or referring to the listener or reader directly. Third person pronouns are used when referring to someone or something other than the speaker or the listener. There are two main types of first person pronouns: singular and plural.
Ich,
Ich,
wir.
wir.
Here are some example sentences using first person pronouns in the German language.
Ich gehe heute ins Kino.
Ich gehe heute ins Kino.
Ich habe mein Fahrrad verloren.
Ich habe mein Fahrrad verloren.
Wir gehen heute gemeinsam ins Kino.
Wir gehen heute gemeinsam ins Kino.
Wir möchten gerne eine Pizza bestellen.
Wir möchten gerne eine Pizza bestellen.
Second person pronouns are used when addressing or referring to the listener or reader directly. There are also singular and plural forms of second person pronouns. Singular, used when referring to one person. Plural, used when addressing or referring to a group of people.
Du,
Du,
ihr.
ihr.
Maria, wo wohnst du?
Maria, wo wohnst du?
Du bist mein bester Freund.
Du bist mein bester Freund.
Singular formal. Sie is the second person singular formal pronoun used when addressing someone respectfully or in a formal setting, such as strangers, acquaintances, or individuals in positions of authority. Here are some example sentences using the second person singular formal pronoun Sie in German.
Maria, woher kommen Sie?
Maria, woher kommen Sie?
Herr und Frau Müller, woher kommen Sie?
Herr und Frau Müller, woher kommen Sie?
Let's move to the personal pronouns for the third person. It also can be in singular or in plural. Singular third person pronouns.
Es, sie.
Plural third person pronouns. Sie. It is the pronoun used for both masculine and feminine plural pronouns and formal singular pronoun, addressing someone respectfully. It is also used for objects or mixed gender groups. Here are some sentences using third person pronouns in German.
Geht zur Schule.
Geht zur Schule.
Es regnet draußen.
Es regnet draußen.
Sie singt wunderschön.
Sie singt wunderschön.
Sie spielen im Park.
Sie spielen im Park.
These were the personal pronouns in nominative. It used to represent the different grammatical persons and numbers in German. They play a crucial role in forming sentences and referring to individuals or groups. Let's summarize. These pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. The subject pronouns in German are singular,
Ich, du, sie, es, sie,
and plural pronouns are
wir, ihr, sie, sie. Danke.
Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you liked this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thanks again.